Hello engineers, welcome to Zindha CPWD. Today I'm going to introduce a brand new series in our channel. This will really change the way you think about civil engineering. Presenting you DSR Decoded, a dedicated web series in which we are going to decode each and every item one by one. So if you are a civil engineer, a student, civil engineering student, a government contractor or a government official, engineer, whoever it may be, or even the people who are trying to work out in exams. So this series is for you. Why DSR? Before going to why DSR, we have to know about what is DSR. DSR is Delhi Schedules of Rate, and that is the book published by Central PWD. So Central PWD is from far before from British period. From British period it is there. So they have created the book content one by one, and each year or two they will keep on updating it. So DSR contains all the basic items, maybe not all the items, some items, modern items or latest items are missing, but still the basic needed items are all available in DSR. In each series, I will take one item and I will give a clear explanation of how to do that particular work. For example, say brick work. So how much quantity of bricks needed, how much mortar needed, in that mortar how much cement and how much coarse sand, what is the quantity. So see, rates are differing based on the location you are in, but the quantities never differ. So I will give the detailed spec of how to do it and whatever quantity is required for a first quality work. So that is available in DSR. So I have selected DSR. So this will be helpful for you to gaining knowledge one by one. So in this series, I am going to explain each item by each item, explaining you everything, how much labor it costs, how much material, so everything, even including specifications. And this will be very helpful for people who can create estimates. So from earthwork to RCC, from plastering to flooring, everything will be covered in this series one by one. So no more confusions or guessing of quantities during your estimates while preparing for your clients. These videos will be very structured and very clear in a neat, simple Indian English. Hence, don't forget to press that subscriber button and click the bell icon also, so you will get the first video very soon. Hi, this is Prem Raj, your host from Zindha CPWD, and let's decode DSR one by one.